This is for my babies.
Hey guys, you're welcome again to my channel. Okay, I understand why you're wondering why my hair is like this. This happens to me all the time. My hair is in a mess. I need to head out. I don't have the time to plait my hair and put a wig on. What do I do to my hair? And I know many of you might struggle with this as well. So here are 3 go-to hairstyles that I reach for. These are my 3 go-to every time I need to head out and my hair is in this state. So keep on watching and I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's just stop faffing around. Let's get to the video. The first thing I do is take out the knots, whatever knots are hanging out, by the edges of my hair. And then I put some curl enhancing smoothie, or you can use any leave-in conditioner you have. And I just put it around just to make that side a little bit soft. Then I use some Eco Styler gel to put my edges and the sides of my hair in place. So after brushing in place, I use my pantyhose, and this is so trusty. Ask any natural person, they know that pantyhose is bae. And I pack my hair up, kind of like to the side, offside, and then I take some hair and cover the pantyhose. So I do that all the way around and use my natural hair to cover the pantyhose. Now what I do here is I just pin and tuck, roll, pin and tuck. That's really it. I take a portion of hair, I roll it. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. I put it in place and I pin and I tuck it away. And just keep doing that to all of your hair. Even if you have medium length hair like I do, it would give the illusion of very full hair. So just pin, tuck till you have something that you like. Things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. I love this hairstyle so much. It takes me less than 5 minutes to look put together. I just love it. Let me go grab my earrings. So yeah, I put some earrings. So what I just did here was just to put some Eco Styler to lay my edges a little bit. And this look can take you from work to party, wherever you need to go this season. Now let's try the next hairstyle. This next one is so easy. All you have to do is put some Eco Styler gel around, your edges, brush it in place, make sure that it's laid, and then you use the same pantyhose. And this time around, instead of doing it off center, you do it all the way, almost halfway to the top. Do the same thing, take a portion of hair and cover the band, because I don't like when that elastic band shows. So cover the band, and then what you do next, this is really important, just do it really carefully. Take your entire head of hair and pull it up as if you want to pack it up in a bun. Just take all the edges, the straight edges, roll it a little bit, and take a pin and pin it down to the middle of your head. If there are any flyaways, pin and tuck. Just pin it and tuck it in. And that's really it. This is my second go-to hairstyle. I just did some baby hairs just to make it look cute, but this looks so put together for work. It looks just perfect. Now the last one, which is just an update of this, I use a wig, an old wig that I have in the house, very old wig. So if you have any braiding hair, it will work as well. So I just put it over the bun. The bun doesn't have to be perfect. And this time around, I just take this wig and I roll it up around itself, just as you can see. Now once the bun is in place, what I do is take the same thing, same bobby pins, and pin in the center so that if anyone tries to snatch my hair, it's not going anywhere. I'm really feeling myself here. So guys, can you see how incredibly easy it is to actually get yourself together even though your hair is a mess? These 3 hairstyles are my go-to every single time my hair is a mess, I need to go out. So I really hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you have any other video ideas you want me to try or explore, please leave them in the comments below. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload a new video. I love you guys so much. Bye!